This is a before and after our swim. We found over 40 plus hair ties. While we were down there, we went ahead and cleaned up all the leaves that were covering up the drain. Manager did come over and ask us if we had found a necklace that someone had reported missing. We hadn't at the time, but we did end up finding the necklace by the end of it. Just started out as just something fun for us to do and ended up with the manager coming out, thanking us, giving us a refund, and inviting us to come out sometime and do it again. We found many interesting things, including a bungee cord. Watch the entire video to see all the things that we end up pulling out of this water. This was all done in an hour.